Do not worry about your life, what you will eat, or about your body, what you will wear. Life is more than food, and the body more than clothes. Consider the ravens. They do not sow or reap. They have no storeroom or barn, yet God feeds them. And how much more valuable you are than birds. Who of you by worrying can add a single hour to his life? Since you cannot do this very little thing, why do you worry about the rest? Luke 12 verses 22 to 26. Life is more than food and clothing. God has reminded us of that throughout the scriptures. Jesus reminded us of it when he faced temptation from Satan. Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that comes from the mouth of God. So we shouldn't worry because God will take care of the big stuff and the little stuff. Consider the birds. They don't work for their food. They neither put their food in storerooms or barn. We humans have the faculties to plan, save, invest, freeze the ground beef until we need it in a few weeks. Birds cannot do this, yet they still are fed. Still they are nourished. Still they have enough for their chicks. How can this be? Jesus wants us to ask ourselves, and he quickly answers. Because we have a heavenly Father who feeds them. And that heavenly Father isn't just the Father of the birds. He is your heavenly Father. And how much more are you worth to him than birds? The answer is clear. Infinitely more. Worrying doesn't change things, big or small, except to make those problems appear worse than they really are. Why let ourselves get so worked up into frenzy over big things? Cast your cares on our Heavenly Father and then trust in His wisdom. The next time you worry, look at the birds.